Welcome again. In this part of tutorial we will learn about running the program. Let's start from scratch and let's also see how Eclipse gives you a template to generate your program. So see file, new C project. We choose hello world in C project this time and we see sequence and we name it the same. If you have the older one you can delete it, or possibly you can give a new name other than hello. I have deleted it, so I am giving the same name. Choose sequence GCC and say next. When I say next, now I say finish. Now you will have to build options, debug or release. We will use the debug version. Debug is typically for development and release is for production. That is when you finally want to sell your software or deploy it on a server, then you do a release build. Typically people do not do release build for entire development cycle. Once they are sure that their development is finished, then they do the release. And you have got this button for running the program as local C applications, and you have run configurations. Here you can change and you can give it arguments here to the program, and here you can select your configuration, whether you want build or whether you want to run debug or release version. So this is our template which has been generated by Eclipse. See, there is a plus, so we click it, we see the entire comment given by Eclipse. Beautiful template. It also includes stdlib.h, another header which is needed because it has used the macro which expands to 0. You see, if you put your mouse there for some time and leave it for a second or two, then it will tell you, okay, it is a macro expansion. Let's see what this is. Right click this and click open declaration, or otherwise you can put your cursor in between and press F3. So it will take you straight away to the declaration. You see, hash defined exit success 0. That means it's a macro. To print hello world, it has used a different function, putS. There is a bit of difference between putS and printf. PutS also prints a string, but printf is more versatile. You see another comment here, how it has commented. So let's build it. So we have got the build ready and we run it. Simply click this. So on the console we'll see the output. I will tell you to find points here. Click on the project and then select properties, and then you select C++ build from the left pane, and on the right side you select behavior, and here you should check the checkbox build on resource save. When you do this and you are editing a project, then every time you save the file it will do an auto build. This will help you a lot more time, particularly on big projects. The second point is that you should always enable parallel build. While for our single file programs this is not of much help because make will run only one thread, but internally if you have multi-core process and you have a big project, it's of great help. With a 4-core processor, your build time is reduced by 1/4. We'll select these and select apply. So Eclipse will build it. One more file of our interest is this make file. Typically we don't need to modify this file for our projects, but as you will move to advanced projects, you will definitely need to modify this file in Eclipse. So in this tutorial we have learned how to run a program, how to build it, how to run it, and we have learned the nuances of our Eclipse IDE. So that's it for now, folks. See you in the next part.